Today we're going to be adding integers using the charge model. So you might want to take a few notes. Represent each integer with a plus or a minus, otherwise known as negatives and positives. You want to make some zero pairs, and whatever's left over, hey, that's your answer. So as you're thinking about doing adding, remember you need to combine positives with negatives to make zero pairs. So let's look at our first problem. We have -3 plus +5. So we represent each number using positives and negatives. Now we're going to make some zero pairs. Notice we can make 3 of them. And what's left over? 2 positives. So the answer is +2. Okay, our next one is 4 plus -2. So we'll have 4 positives plus 2 negatives. We'll make our zero pairs. And look what we have left over. +2. Okay, this one might look familiar from the opposites video. We have 3 negatives and 3 positives. Remember they're opposites or additive inverses? And what happens when you add opposites together? The sum is 0. Okay, now we have 2 negatives and 4 negatives. Hey, wait a minute, we can't make any zero pairs. So what's the answer? Well, you just add them all together and you get -6. How about this one, 3 plus 2? Yes, you know the answer is 5, but how do you get that? We have 3 positives and 2 positives. How much do you have all together? That's right, 5 positives. So, what have we learned about adding integers? Well, first thing you do, write down each number using positives and negatives. Second, you make some zero pairs. Third, whatever's left over, that's your answer.